Stop for a moment. If you're over 60 and you've just accepted that waking up with aches and pains is a normal part of life, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be. You've probably told yourself that morning stiffness and a sore back are just your body's way of reminding you of the year on your birth certificate. But what if that's not the whole story? What if a simple towel from your linen closet holds the key to feeling lighter and more mobile every single morning? This common household item can be used for a gentle, simple routine that helps counteract the strain your spine endures all day long. Think about your day so far. We sit for breakfast. We sit in the car. Many of us spend hours hunched over a desk or sinking into a couch. All this sitting, usually with a bit of a slouch, puts constant forward pressure on the spine. Gravity never takes a day off, and it's always compressing our vertebrae. After decades, this really takes a toll. That natural, healthy curve in our lower back begins to flatten out, and the muscles supporting us become tired and strained. This is a huge reason why so many of us wake up feeling like the Tin Man before he found his oil can. It's not just about age, it's the accumulated effect of a lifetime of posture. That locked up feeling in the morning is your body sending an SOS. It's a sign that your spine is out of its happy place. But here's the really good news. What's been compressed can be gently coaxed back into a healthier position, and you don't need any expensive gadgets to start feeling a difference. The Japanese towel method explained. There's a method for posture correction developed by Japanese specialist Dr. Toshiki Fukutsuji that uses a rolled-up towel to help restore the spine's natural alignment. Now, there have been some wild online claims about what this can do, but its real purpose is to provide a gentle, passive stretch to relieve tension and improve your posture. This isn't about building muscle or losing weight, it's about alignment and relief. Here's how you can do it safely tonight. First, you'll need a regular bath towel and a firm surface, like the floor or a yoga mat. A soft bed is too squishy and won't give you the support you need. Step 1. Roll the towel up as tightly as you can, like a sleeping bag. Secure it with a rubber band or some string if it helps. You want a firm cylinder about 3 to 4 inches thick. Step 2. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out in front of you. Now place the rolled towel behind you. Step 3. This next part is all about being slow and gentle. Carefully lie back so the towel is directly under your lower back, right in line with your belly button. It should fit snugly into the natural inward curve of your spine. Step 4. Once you're lying on the towel, extend your legs straight out and about shoulder width apart. Let your feet roll inward so your big toes are touching or pointing toward each other. Step 5. Stretch your arms up over your head with your palms facing down. Try to get your pinkies to touch. Don't force anything, just reach as far as it feels comfortable. And that's it, you're in position. Just relax and breathe deeply. The goal is to hold this for up to 5 minutes, but if you're new to this, please start with just 1 or 2 minutes and see how you feel. A little discomfort from the stretch is one thing, but if you feel any sharp pain, you need to stop immediately. When your time is up, how you get out of the position is just as important as how you got into it. Do not sit straight up. That can jolt your back. Instead, gently roll onto your side, moving off the towel. Pause there for a moment. Then use your arms to slowly push yourself up to a sitting position. This keeps your spine protected. So what's the magic happening in those 5 minutes? You're using gravity and your own body weight to create a gentle, passive stretch. That towel under your lower back encourages the natural curve, known as the lumbar lordosis, to return. This helps counteract that forward-leaning posture we're in all day. It's a beautifully simple way to give your back a chance to bend in the opposite direction, releasing tension in muscles and ligaments that have been working overtime. The best thing about this technique is how simple it is. It costs absolutely nothing, and it only takes a few minutes before bed. I want to encourage you to give this a try for 1 week. Start with a minute or two each night and just notice how your body responds. Pay attention to how you feel when you open your eyes in the morning. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more simple, powerful wellness tips for a vibrant life over 60. And do me a favor, share this with a friend or a family member you know struggles with that morning back stiffness. You could make their day every day. Accepting daily aches and pains as your new normal is not a requirement. Small, consistent actions can lead to huge improvements in how you feel. This simple towel method is a perfect example of that. It's a quiet moment at the end of the day to invest in your own body and reclaim your comfort. Always remember to listen to your body, and as with any new routine, it's a good idea to check with your doctor, especially if you have a history of back issues. Give it a try tonight and start your journey toward waking up with a sense of freedom and energy in your movement.